Well, good day everyone. This is just a quick update. I need to buy some new work shorts and shirts, so thought just take a little bit of scrap in, and hopefully that'll cover a couple of new bits of clothing. But anyway, what we have here, we've got a whole big tub there of copper tubing, another one, big bucket of copper tubing, some insulated copper wire, 2 tubs, a little bit of cat wire, cat 5, cat 3, a little bit of brass. There's a tiny little bit of copper in there too. Oh yeah, a little bit of copper there, stripped nice, so you can see it there. So we'll just see how we go and check out the prices of scrap metal. I know Waste Ben has said that he's getting really good prices in Melbourne at the minute with a new scrapyard, so we'll just do a check here and just see how our yard's performing. I don't have any aluminium today. I do have a bit in stock, but what I'll do is just take this little lot in, see how we go. All right, stay tuned. Well, here we are, home again, and just an update on how we went. Hopefully we can see that quite all right. What do we get? Righto, number 1 copper, 22.1 kilos, $6.50 a kilo, so that wasn't too bad, $143. That was for all the copper pipe. And the other interesting one, where are we? There it is, brass. Brass is $4.50. And 22 kilos of PVC wire at $2.08 a kilo. Yeah, that wasn't that good, is it? So that's down a little bit. Grand total of $194.51. And out of that, GST too, $17. Oh well, suppose we've got to pay a little bit. Anyway, I hope you found this update on pricing useful, and we'll catch you next time.